Hello friends and welcome back to Marius Makes. In this video I would like to share with you a Parmigiana di melanzane or an aubergine Parmigiana recipe that I received from a friend of mine that used to live in Italy. It's absolutely delicious. There is a little bit of work involved, but it's worth it. Watch the recipe and see how it's made. Let's start with 1.5 kilograms of aubergines. Peel them as you see me do in the video. You don't have to be precise with the peeling, it doesn't matter. Slice your aubergines in 1 cm thick slices. Generously salt the aubergine slices and leave them on the side to sit for about half an hour. In this time, we will crack on with making a tomato sauce. I'm using 700 grams of tomatoes from my garden. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can use tinned tomatoes. Roughly dice your tomatoes and put them in a saucepan. Add a generous amount of sea salt, a generous amount of black pepper, 400 grams of passata, around 100 grams of water, and a generous amount of fresh basil. Drizzle in 100 milliliters of olive oil and also chop roughly 3 garlic cloves. Give everything a mix and cook covered on medium heat for about an hour. Stir occasionally. Next, we're gonna make an egg mixture. In a large mixing bowl, grate 3 cloves of garlic and chop around 6 big basil leaves. Crack open 10 large eggs. Add 100 grams or thereabouts of grated parmesan cheese, a small pinch of black pepper and a small pinch of salt. Whisk everything for about 2 minutes. Next, take a few slices of aubergines, roll them through plain flour and add them to your egg mixture. Fry the aubergines in enough oil on medium heat until golden brown. Take them out and rest them on paper towels so you can drain as much oil as possible. Continue frying until you finish all the aubergine slices. And now it's time to assemble the Parmigiana. I have 200 grams of grated parmesan, tomato sauce and the leftover egg mixture. On the bottom of the baking dish, add a couple of ladlefuls of the tomato sauce. Add a layer of fried aubergines. Add a little bit more tomato sauce, as you see me do in the video. Sprinkle over a handful of Parmesan cheese. And then add a couple of big spoons of the egg mixture. And repeat: aubergines, tomato sauce, cheese, and egg mixture. In total, I have 4 layers of aubergines. For the top, I cover everything with the remaining tomato sauce and I add the egg mixture. I sprinkled a generous amount of Parmesan cheese and then I baked it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes, or until all bubbly and crispy on the top. After taking it out of the oven, don't forget to leave your Parmigiana to rest for about 15 minutes before slicing into it. This will make your life easier. And the layers will stay together one on top of each other. And there you have it! a delicious homemade Parmigiana di melanzane, or aubergine Parmigiana. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you can find more home cooking videos and recipes on my channel, so go check it out. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on cooking!